Pico! Leo! It goes through them on the camera. Hi, Pico. Hi, Pico. You're too close. Pico, you're too close. Ah! Crazy dog. Cookie Leo. Leo, you can't eat the grass. He's like, would you knock it off? What's Leo doing?
Stay there.
He's gonna bit him in the foot.
Across the face.
He's like, dude, you're getting annoying. Knock it off. You'll learn, Pico. But Leo attacked him because, you know.
I know, I don't want him to hurt him too bad.
It's not gonna happen.
He's walking a lot slower on it.
He's like, I'm gonna bite you.
Leo's gonna get him, and then Pico will chill out. Pico's like, you're gonna play whether you want it or not.
He goes like, oh man. He just wants his tail. He's like, whatever, man. This sucks. You all suck. Put me on this leash. Have this little rat thing attacking me. He was like, back up, dude. Sucks to be you, Pico, huh?